Arch. Yeah. Yay, I'm not Steve anymore. Why are you guys so big? Square with a holding club. I get it. It's square with a holding club. Why not? We're squares and we sneeze in every time. I'll put the square with a holding club for you. Look at me. I'm with the square with a holding club. I see a point 25. What? I give you a square club. Yes. See you next time.